For Valentine's this year, we're all about making memories. My name's Tiffany here at Buckwalter Greenhouse, and we're offering miniature gardening Valentine's kits for you to take home, or you can join a workshop. So our kits, we have two sizes. There's a small or a large that you can make and take at home. So I'm going to show you how we're going to put those together. So I'm going to put together our large kit. And this is a really nice ceramic pot that has an attached saucer for watering. And then you get your potting soil that comes with your kit. So you can just open that up, drop it in. And it's just leave the soil loose. You do not need to pack it down. So with the large kit for the miniature garden, you get 3 plants. And I always like to encourage, you're doing this with younger ones, think like you're 2 inches tall. Shrink down in size. So this would look maybe like a tree in your miniature garden. Squeeze the sides of the pot, and that will help the roots to come out without tearing away. Dig a little hole, and put it down in, and draw the soil up around it. Again, just kind of squeeze the sides of the pot, and it should help release the plant so it comes right out. And you can choose wherever you want your plants to go. It doesn't have to be right next. They could all be right next to each other, or you could spread them apart. And there's the third one. Once your plants are planted, now you can start accessorizing. I always like to have a little pathway with my miniature gardens for, when you have your miniatures, you think of they need a little place to go, and where is it going to lead them? So in your kit are some rocks that are included, and you can just lay those out however you want. Sometimes if you want to create perspective, you could have your path start wide towards the front of the pot and then narrow as it goes to the back. You could have it curve. You could put rocks in more than one place, like if you want to have a patio. And then you also have some moss in your kit. This is a great way to have the look of grass. And this is real moss. It's dried and dyed green, so you don't have to spritz it. You don't have to take care of it at all. And this, you can lay it on top of the soil. You might take some more rocks to put up against it. And you also get bark chips that you can use to decorate with as well. Kind of looks like maybe miniature mulch. Gives a different texture, a different look. I'll often lift the leaves up as I go around the base of them, just to make sure nothing gets buried and then doesn't get sunlight. All those hard things. I should mention too, the moss does tear apart. So if you have a larger piece that you want to fit in a certain area, you can just pull it apart. And it does rub together well. If you want to blend it, you can just kind of use your fingers and make it look like one piece again. Okay. For the Valentine's bonus in our kits, we do have some special little red gems that you can place as maybe like a little hidden treasure, or just, it does look really pretty against the white rocks as well. You could use them for stepping stones. Let's let your imagination have fun with that. And what's Valentine's without a little heart peeking up out of the plants? And with the large kit, you have the choice of 2 miniatures. I'm going to choose a little hedgehog and a ladybug to finish mine off. But we also have fairies, there's frogs, You know, he might be kind of tucking himself out from underneath a leaf. If you're doing this with kids, you're going to find they'll probably move them around a whole bunch of times, and this becomes their own little play world, which is fine. And the plants are more resilient than you may give them credit for. As far as care, water is typically about once a week inside the house. Ideally, this would be placed within 6 to 8 feet of a window or in a room that has lights on all the time would be great. Water, if you water directly where the plants are, that will minimize any soil coming up over top of the rocks and the dirt and making it look dirty. And so there you go. A great way to have fun on Valentine's Day.